It's getting harder and harder to believe Google's launch event is still a week away because the Pixel 10 has basically just stripped off its disguise and walked into the room. And not in some blurry, shaky leak you squint at for details. No, this is crystal clear studio lit. I could put this on a billboard territory. We're talking every curve, every shimmer of color, every tiny design tweak that Google probably wanted to save for the big stage. But hey, welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you like hanging out in this corner of the internet where leaks hit harder than official teasers, go ahead, like this video, share it with your tech circle, and hit subscribe so you never miss when we drop another one. Now, here's where it gets juicy, because these aren't just renders. They're practically invitations to start picking your next daily driver right now. The base Pixel 10 is stepping into the spotlight with this wild new Lime Cello finish. Imagine a neon lime zesting your eyeballs, but with enough smoothness to feel classy instead of flashy. And the plot twist: this shade is exclusive to the standard model. No Pro, no XL. If you want Lime Cello, you stick with the base Pixel 10, simple as that. Meanwhile, the Pro crowd gets a more refined palette indigo Frost Obsidian. Indigo's the comeback kid this year, replacing last year's Bay Blue with something deeper and moodier. Frost is like porcelain with a winter chill. And Obsidian, well, that's the classic little black dress of pixel colors. But here's the thing. These leaks are doing more than showing off colors. They're spilling hints about the feel of the phone. You know how last year, the Pixels had that same glossy back and matte frame combo? This year, Google's mixing textures depending on the model. The Pixel 10's frame is matte, the back's glossy. The Pro flips it, metallic frame, matte glass back. It's subtle, but it's the kind of change you notice when you pick it up and think how it feels different in a good way. Size-wise. The regular Pixel 10 is rocking a 6.3-inch display, same neighborhood as last year, but might be slightly thicker and heavier. Why? Almost certainly a bigger battery. Word on the leak street says we're going from 4,700 to nearly 5,000 RMA. That's the kind of jump that could make Google's 24 aux-hours battery claim actually hold up in real-world use. And yes, if you've been burned before by pixels dying at dinner, you're allowed to be cautiously optimistic. The Pro and Pro XL aren't changing as boldly. No radical redesign of the camera bar. Bezels still look similar, but the real heat might be under the hood and in the software. That's where Camera Coach comes in. Imagine lining up a shot and your phone whispers, hey, tilt a little, shift your angle, let's catch that light better. That's Camera Coach powered by Gemini AI, guiding you toward the perfect photo before you take it. If it's instant, it could be the kind of feature that makes people go, oh, that's why I got a Pixel. If it's laggy, well, into the feature graveyard it goes. Now, let's talk about something Pixel fans don't usually get at the base level, a telephoto camera. Yep, rumor has it the regular Pixel 10's getting one, breaking the Pro-only tradition. The catch: sensors might be smaller than some competitors' monsters, but Google's computational photography magic does its thing. You might not care. Remember, these are the same people who made night sky photos look like NASA shots without a tripod. Color gossip time: Indigo's already winning popularity polls, Lime Cello's a close second, and Frost's getting the cold shoulder for now. But Jade, Jade's a different story. In the leaks, it's locked to the Pro XL. Reach deep, almost emerald, like your phone's wearing a tuxedo to the Met Gala. If that exclusivity holds, it's going to create some serious "why can't I have that on the regular Pro" conversations. Not every model's shipping right away. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's big foldable flex, might not hit shelves until October. And that's smart in a way. It lets the regular lineup have its moment before the Fold steals all the spotlight. But it also means if you've been waiting for Google's foldable to mature, you've got some calendar watching to do. And here's the funny part. Despite these massive leaks, there's still a sliver of mystery. Google's known for slipping in 1 or 2 launch day surprises. Maybe it's a hidden AI trick. Maybe it's a wild accessory. Maybe it's that one color no one saw coming. Whatever it is, you can bet they'll use it to make August 20th feel worth tuning in for. Until then, we've got Lime Cello glowing like a radioactive tennis ball, Indigo channeling moody ocean depths, Jade causing envy, and Camera Coach promising to make you a better photographer without lifting a finger. If Google really nails this balance of style, battery life, and AI smarts, the Pixel 10 series could be one of the most satisfying upgrades in years, not because it reinvented the wheel, but because it finally polished every spoke. So, if you're in the market for a new phone, I've got one question. Do you want to play it safe with Obsidian, or do you want people asking, wait, what color is that? Every time you pull your phone out,